Welcome to this CS 320 lecture about decidability. Now, what does it mean for something to be decidable? And this is a great question. This is actually what this class is really about. We want to know what problems we can solve and what problems we cannot solve. So, a, a decidable problem is something that we can solve. So we might have questions like, do these two regular expressions accept the same language? And of course, we can kind of analyze them and do a lot of work, but what we really want is a decision procedure or a step-by-step process that we can follow that works on any two regular expressions, not two specific ones, but any two regular expressions. And at the end, we'll say, yep, those two regular expressions accept the same language, or no, they do not. So, a problem like this is some question that we're trying to answer, is decidable if we could come up with a decision procedure. So decision procedure is basically just an algorithm, or what you might know as a program, a step-by-step process that will answer this question for any two regular expressions. So that is the core of this class. We want to know, we came up with these machines, finite automatas, regular expressions. We want to know, can I write a program that'll answer certain questions about them with a yes or a no? Now, it has to be in a finite amount of time. We can't just have run the program and have it go on and on forever and never answer the question. It also has to work without crashing. It has to work on any two regular expressions, not two specific ones, but any two regular expressions. Now, the answer to this is this question is decidable. We can write a program or an algorithm that takes in as input two regular expressions, and it spits out either yes, they are the same language, or no, they are not the same language. Now, I'm not going to review much of that. Instead, I want you to go look in your book and see if you can figure out read the algorithms on solving this and other problems. But the most important thing to remember is a problem is decidable if we can come up with a decision procedure that solves it in a finite amount of time. So make sure you know the definition of both of these terms.